Hi, I'm Coop, and welcome to Wonder Why Farm. Today we're going to be working on this Hesston 1071 Haybine, so stick around. So as stated, we're going to be working on this Hesston Haybine, and I've already started working on it. Got this these beater fingers, I guess you call them. I don't know. They pull the hay back into the knife, and all of them on this one side are missing. So we're gonna replace those. I've already replaced this one. Now these are not exactly what this mower calls for, because this mower is not anywhere near new. So I found the closest thing that I could, but as you can see, where the curl is that the bolt goes through, if I put that on there like that, that's how it would have to be. And it's not in line with the others, obviously. So to remedy that, I just drilled another hole through, put my bolt through there like that, and seems to work. When this comes around here, these, as they sweep down, they turn a little bit, and as you can see, they kind of, on this, whenever they come around there, they sweep, and they kind of hit the hay and move it back in toward the knife a little bit. So they need to be in this position for them to work. There's a few of these on here that need some help. This one here is fine, it just needs rebolted, so it's really not doing too much. There's a few along here that need some attention, so that's what we're going to do today. These ones on the end are really bad. I don't know if these ones get a lot of the abuse because they're out here on the end, but for whatever reason, they have not survived. So let's get started. So we got to move this around so we can get this on the top. Or something. Move it backwards against the slip clutch. Get on there. Trying to get them as close in line with the other ones as possible. Then we'll try to make a nice hole through here. Luckily it's almost straight across from the other hole, so I didn't run into that problem where I had a big wobbly hole. Get some new hardware here. The last one went together pretty easily compared to other things that I do around here. worked out pretty well. Oscar, you're a fucking dude. Alright, let's see if we can tighten it up here. Not if we can't hold on to the wrench. That's one of the problems with running this old equipment that you can afford. I give $1,500 for this mower. I've had it about 10 years now. I really haven't spent a lot of money on it. Just basic wear out parts, knife sections. This is the first time I bought these fingers for it. So I really can't complain too much. It's cut a good bit of hay for me for the money, for what a new one costs. So let's move over here and I'll open this hole up here a little bit, because the bolts that I have on hand are just a little bigger than the old ones. When you get old, you become blind and you have to wear glasses. I wear contacts, but for seeing up close, I don't need glasses, so I have to wear glasses to make the contacts not work at that distance, if that makes any sense. More better. A few of them down here just need tightened up. Of course, they take a different size. difference with these, and you'll see when I get it rolled up here, is this end one has a little turn on it. I don't know if that's gonna be a problem. I don't think it will be, because there's nothing really here for it to hit. There is a small plate back in here that kind of directs the hay off the end of this. It pushes it back into the roller. We'll just have to see once we get it running if it becomes an issue. I hope that it doesn't, but you know, we'll deal with that when that time comes. Of course, everything's a hammer. Now you can see how that one there is turned. So I'm pretty sure that they were all like that. That's that little turn in that thing there. If you bought that new, that's probably another $10 for each one of them. So, but I didn't know because I couldn't find anything to fit this machine. I looked all over. Not the only thing you can find. You can find some gearbox parts. You can always find sickles. You can find the end of the sickles. Stuff you can find anywhere, really. You can anybody will make you a sickle. You just there's several different places out there. You tell them the length of the machine and the size and everything, and they just make it. So those are pretty readily available. Some of this other stuff, it just isn't made anymore. Hesston itself, I don't believe, is in business anymore. They were bought up by, I believe, their AGCO now. You can still get some Hesston parts for some of their newer stuff, but certainly not for this hay mower. I don't know when this thing would have been. I never really looked it up. I'm sure somebody out there can tell me what years they made these. I don't know. It's a 7-foot cut. At the time, I have a much bigger tractor now, but at the time that I got this, my tractor was a little smaller, so I didn't want to go with a 9-foot for fear that I'd have trouble running it. So I found this one. It was a good price. It was in pretty decent shape at the time, so that's what I went with. Well, that's nice. Well, in true fashion, the drill bit is snapped off in the hole. Isn't that nice? I'll be shocked if I can get that back out of there without a bunch of trouble. It might come out. It is going to come out. This is a testament to good tools that we have these days. Look at that. That literally has drilled 1, 2, 3, and I wobbled that one hole out 4. And it was cutting really good. It's very sharp, but yeah, started to wobble and broke. So we'll have to get something else. So in true Wonder Why I Farm fashion, my camera mount has broken. So this video could be a bit challenging. Stick around. Welcome back, friends. I'm Dawn from Wonder Why I Farm, and today we're going to be finishing up the video on part 2 of fixing the Hesston 1071 Haybine. And as already stated, my camera mount decided to break today, so this could be a little bit tough to show you footage here, but I'm going to try to get something to make it work. Alright, we're back. So this is the knife that I was talking about, and I'm hoping that this is going to work on here. Not sure now. Trying to do everything one-handed. You actually get 2 in there for the price of 1. I'm not sure it's going to work, but we are going to try it. I actually think I should take that inside section off, put that on. Of course, it's riveted on there. We're going to try this, so hang in there. Well, friends, it's bolted on there. I don't know that it's right. It's actually not right, but I'm in a big hurry here trying to get hay done, and I'm just trying to make this work. So we'll see how it works out. You can see down in there, that is the skid plate. I see the shiny new Chinesium bolt there. Hopefully that will work. So we shall see. That would be the conclusion to getting the mower ready to go back to the field for hopefully a successful hay mow cut. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.